Hey guys, Jeremy here from School of Wok, Covent Garden. We are here for Wok Wednesdays, and this week we are going for a Hunan beef, stir-fried spicy beef, true Wok Wednesday style. We're going to start with the classic base, so your ginger, spring onion, garlic, and then from there there's a whole lot of different sauces for the marinade, and then also for the sauce, the stir-fry sauce that goes over the top. And this dish is really deep, spicy, savoury. I'm gonna bash a bit of that ginger and then finely chop that. The spring onion just into chunks. Rough chunks is fine. Garlic, a couple of cloves, roughly chopped. Not too small. And that can pretty much all go in very similar sort of time. And I've got a whole load of dry red chillies here that have just been soaked in hot water for about half hour or so. You can keep them whole or just again roughly chop them up. And that'll just release a few of the seeds, but not too many. There's a lot of chilli there. So my sort of base ingredients are all chopped up. Now it's on to marinating the meat. I've got a beautiful chunk of ribeye steak here. For this one stir fry, probably use about half of that just to show you guys. And you want nice, sort of good size slices of meat. Keeping the marbling on and the fat on. I will bash this meat through before I marinate it, so it'll thin out in a second. You can see that sort of thins out straight away. Going to be very succulent anyway, but this bashing of the meat also tenderizes it a little bit more. So the marinade, a tablespoon, I've only got sort of half the amount of meat, so about half, I'm going halves here, but a tablespoon of each one, or the same amount of each sauce. So I've got light soy, rice wine and oyster sauce here. A couple of teaspoons of cumin powder and a good pinch of sugar. And then a bit of corn flour into there. And that corn flour should just wrap around and give it a slightly creamy texture. The cumin will sear straight into the wok. And then for the sauce, got another tablespoon of rice wine and light soy. And then a couple of teaspoons of the paste part of chili oil. So it's really spicy, this. Teaspoon of chili bean, just to add a bit more spice. And then half a tablespoon of black pepper sauce. You can get that in a jar, but if you don't have it, then just a bit of oyster sauce mixed together with loads of cracked black pepper works a treat. Teaspoon of dark soy to deepen the colour. If we need a bit of chicken stock or water when I'm actually stir frying to finish, I'll use some. My sauce is ready. My wok clock of ingredients is ready. My ginger, spring onion, garlic, dry red chilies, my marinated meat, and my sauce goes last. Let's get ready to wok. So, I've got my ginger and garlic and spring onion, everything set up, but traditionally what you'd do in a Chinese restaurant with this is you'd seal the meat in sort of or in a whole vat of oil or a whole wok of oil. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to sear it nicely, quickly in the wok, and then I'll take the meat out, and then I'll start the wok clock again. So baste your wok with a fair amount of oil, and make sure it's really, really smoking hot before you then start to sear this beef. And you want to spread that beef out so that it's in sort of 1 or 2 layers, not too thick, so that it seals quick enough. And then really press into it and seal that meat nicely. You'll start to smell the cumin sort of cooking away. You don't want to sear too long, so I don't want this beef to overcook. So just turn that. The corn flour will brown it quite quickly, or brown the outside of the meat quite quickly. And then do the same on the other side. Just really press into it. Oh, I can really smell the cumin now. I don't want to overcook this meat, and I also don't want to allow too much of the moisture to come out. So you can go straight back in. It is beef. It's undercooked for a reason, because that's going to cook through again when it goes into the sauce. So now, at this point, we can start our wok clock of ingredients. So the ginger and spring onion and garlic pretty much can all go in at the same time. If you need a little drizzle of oil, you can do so at this point. Flavour of that beef is going to stick in the wok, and it'll deglaze once I pour the sauce and use any stock. I've left the chillies just so that I don't choke ourselves up too early on. So a nice sear of that ginger, garlic, spring onion. Still on a really high heat here. The chillies are going in. My beef is going to come back in here. It's all very, very quick, this dish. My black pepper mix or sauce mix is going in. I didn't put any sugar in there, did I, guys? I'm going to go for about half a teaspoon of sugar. Great smoking hot wok there. I want to keep it smoking hot, so not too much tossing of the wok here. Once or twice will do the job, and then I want to bring that heat up, and I have got some chicken stock here, as I said, so I want to sort of release all the flavours into the sauce with a ladle or half a ladle of chicken stock. Smoking hot wok, your stock goes round the edge of the wok, maybe a little bit more, and that will immediately bubble up. Bring that to a vigorous boil. Once that's vigorously boiling, you can give it a couple of tosses through, and you'll see the sauce kind of thickening up to this nice sort of silky smooth finish from the corn flour that is surrounding that beef. I don't want to overcook the beef, so that's coming straight out. I know you guys are going to love this one. That cumin really, really distinctly sitting out in the steam of that dish. Hunan spicy beef. Take a bit of that beef with the spring onion. We've got a really good bit of steak, deep spice from the combination of the dried chilies and the cumin, and actually the savoury flavour balanced out with that half teaspoon of sugar in the sauce, and the chicken stock works an absolute treat. Guys, this is proper wok cooking. If you like this type of cooking, you want to learn more, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. There's the chilli smokes in me. Don't forget to subscribe to us. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, inhale a bit of chilli, and like.